Are sound effects not working on the LinkedIn app? If you can't hear notification sounds, in-app sound effects are missing, or your sound settings aren't working as expected, it can affect your overall LinkedIn experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix sound effects on LinkedIn app. The first thing you have to do is to go to LinkedIn. And then in this page, you will go to above to profile. Then here we click on settings. After that, you will go to this list and you will click on account preferences. Then you will move to sound effects and you will tap to enable sound effects on LinkedIn app. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.